So hi everyone, this is my day 2 of my hair using the Auburn Bella Curly Gel. And this is what it looks like. You can see the curls are still there. It still looks really nice. This is the back of my hair, and then this is the other side of my hair. I do like how it is and how it looks, and I'm going to show you in the next clip that you're gonna see. I'm gonna show you my night routine, how I managed to keep my hair stretched like that. It is basically similar to what I did on day 1 when I went for the well-defined, you know, shrunken style to the voluminous style. Voluminous, I cannot say that word. So keep watching. If you've not yet subscribed to our channel, please feel free to subscribe, and also make sure you click that notification bell so that you can get videos every time. So keep watching. To start off, I always wet my hair with some form of liquid, be it water or be it aloe vera juice or some liquid leave-in, and then I just use my fingers to just massage that liquid thoroughly through my hair, especially in my ends of my hair. And then I grab a butter, a hair butter. I'm using the Auburn Bella Shine butter, and I'm going to take this butter and I'm going to kind of take it, massage it in my fingers, and then squeeze it to the ends of my hair. Now the ends of my hair is the one that gets tangled so much, and me, I don't have time for all that nonsense. So doing this method helps me in terms of getting my hair moisturized. When my hair is moisturized, it does not tangle as badly as when it's not moisturized. So this method I'm doing here is called the banding method. It is similar to threading. This is just a Oyibo style of threading your hair. So you just take the hair elastic or hair tie and just wrap it on your hair going downwards, and you just keep on doing it until you are done with the rest of your hair. Now doing this, twisting the very ends of my hair, is what keeps my hair from tangling at the ends. The ends, they like to party, they're very naughty. So by twisting it, that helps. Then just protect your hair like you normally do. You can wear a scarf, you can wear a bonnet, whatever you do at night, do that step and you are ready to go to bed. So in the morning, I just take my time and gently remove those hair ties from my hair, walking very gently. Now in the morning, I don't have to do anything like applying products, moisturizing my hair. My hair is good to go, people. So all you just do is just fluff, 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 and that is it. This method is so easy. I can wear my wash and go for an entire week without having problems, without having issues, and it's a very good protective style, if I might say. People say your ends are not protected, but I'm not manipulating. You did not see a comb in this video, and that's it. So if you like this kind of videos, let me know. This was a video from my archive that I never developed, so if you want to see the original one, click that link up there, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.